Hi, in this video I'll show you how to build a hybrid RAG system to search through a very controversial document collection. You've probably heard of these files. It's a massive dataset with thousands or even millions of PDFs related to a certain island owner whose name I probably shouldn't say if I want this video monetized. So the problem? A lot of them are just scanned images. You can't simply hit Ctrl+F and search through the content. So extracting the actual information buried in these files is incredibly difficult. Here I have a fairly well-known PDF involving a certain Microsoft founder. Let's see what we can find. So in this video I'm gonna show you an approach to extract the relevant data and give you the ability to search and chat with these documents. To make this work, we've got two stages: ingestion and retrieval. First, we start with the ingestion pipeline. We take the PDF files and render each page as an image. Then we run OCR. That stands for optical character recognition. Basically, we use an AI to read the text from the images. In our case, we are using GPT-4o Vision for that. Once we've got the text, we split the text into smaller chunks and store them into two places: a vector database and a BM25 index. I'll explain what these mean in a second. So first, by two indexes. This is called hybrid search. The vector database uses embeddings. It turns text into small numbers that capture meaning. So it finds results that are semantically similar to our question, even if the exact words don't match. For example, if you search for meeting, it might also find appointment or a scheduled visit. BM25, on the other hand, is a classic keyword-based algorithm. It doesn't care about meaning. It just counts how often your search term appears. That makes it really good at finding exact names, dates, and specific terms. By combining both, we get the best of those two worlds. The second phase is the retrieval stage. This is where RAG comes in. That stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. So the idea is simple. Instead of asking the AI to answer from memory or from its trained data, we first retrieve the relevant information from our documents and feed it into the prompt of the LLM. So when you ask a question, we search both indexes, vector store and BM25. Each one returns a ranked list for the most relevant text chunks. And now we combine these two lists. We do that in a very smart and specific way. This is called Reciprocal Rank Fusion. If a chunk appears high in both lists, it gets a higher combined score. If it only ranks high in one, it still makes it in, but with a lower score. Once we've got our final ranked list, we take the top results, let's say the top 5 chunks, and inject them directly into the prompt. So the LLM doesn't just get your question, it gets your question plus the most relevant context from the documents. And that is the key idea. The model does not need to know everything, it just needs to know where to look. And we give it exactly that. Let me now show you a quick demo of how this works in action. Okay, I'm now in VS Code, and as always you can get the link to this repository in the description. So this will be just a high-level overview, so I'm just gonna show you how to install and use it. Very important, you have to use UV, because I installed all of my dependencies with UV. You can just go into the project, run UV sync, and after that you should have installed all of the dependencies in a virtual environment. If you don't have UV, there's also a link to that in the description of this video. Okay, so now about the project structure. So if you want to use the OCR pipeline, you have to put the PDF files in your data folder. Inside there is a PDF folder, and inside there is a single PDF, that is bill.pdf. This is the file I will run OCR on and chat against the content of that PDF. So a single file, because it can be quite expensive, so don't use thousands of files for this demo. To make that project work, you also have to provide an OpenAI API key in your .env file. After that, you can just run UV, run Python, and then pipeline.py. So now you can see that we found one PDF in our data folder. We've got 2 pages. We are running OCR on that. So we will extract the text from the PDF, and then we continue with the pipeline. We split it and we store it in a vector store and also in the BM25 index. Okay, so we've got 7 chunks. We save it in the ChromaDB and also saved it in the BM25 index. So everything worked as expected. I hope you get the same results if you use that code on your own. So that was the ingestion phase. We now want to perform the retrieval phase, and we do that with a little chat UI. So we can run UV, run Streamlit, run app.py. This will open a Streamlit application. That is a great library for making demo applications that runs on localhost 8501. Okay, so let's try it out. Let's chat against this single PDF, and we want to ask who is mentioned in this PDF. Give me a list. So now we are making vector search and also searching in the BM25 index. So we've got 5 different persons: Bill, Larry, Melinda, Christine, Farmer, Boris, and that specific person that I won't say the name of. We can also click on sources and check out where this was found in the text. So that is also quite helpful. And now let's ask another question. Does someone have a disease? If yes, who? So very interesting question, I think. And here we are. Yes, there is a mention of someone having this very specific issue. So quite interesting what's going on there. Okay, so that is proof that our approach works. And if you want a deep dive with more code, let me know that in the comments.